The best day trading chat rooms offer a variety of resources and strategies for traders, with some specializing in intraday trading of stocks and options. One such community is well known for its focus on day trading, providing members with resources and strategies to improve their performance and knowledge in various markets. This community offers extensive educational resources, a supportive community where traders can learn from experienced traders, and real-time chat rooms to collaborate with peers. To maximize the benefits of belonging to this community, one should be willing to learn, committed to risk management, and have realistic expectations. Another notable platform stands out for its AI-powered stock scanning and trading alert features. With customizable algorithms and real-time market data, this platform is suitable for active traders who employ technical analysis and appreciate a wide range of market data and opportunities. However, it's essential to consider one's level of expertise in trading and whether the resources and tools needed for success are offered. A comprehensive day trading education platform offers strategies for different market conditions, focusing on mindset, risk management, and strategy. This platform provides personalized coaching, real-time market analysis, and a supportive community, making it an ideal choice for those looking to learn day trading skills and strategies. Nevertheless, success in day trading requires knowledge, risk management, and discipline, and not all traders will achieve consistent profits. Ultimately, the best day trading chat room is one that provides extensive resources and a supportive community. By utilizing such a platform, one can learn a great deal about day trading and improve their skills. The key to success lies in finding a community that offers the right balance of education, resources, and support, and being committed to learning, risk management, and discipline.